मुरगाव बंदरात होणाऱ्या कोळसा हाताळणीमुळे मुरगाव व वास्को शहरात प्रदूषण वाढत आहे। त्यामुळे तेथील रहिवाशांच्या तब्येतीच्या तक्रारीत वाढ झाली असून या कोळसा हाताळणीवरील बंदी हटू नये अशी मागणी गोवा फाउंडेशनचे क्लाउद अल्वारिस यांनी पणजी येथे घेतलेल्या पत्रकार परिषदेत केली। या मागणीचे निवेदन वास्को सिटीजन तर्फे गोवा प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळाला देण्यात आल्याचंही सांगण्यात आलंय।
And they have also given us the pollution control graphs. If you can, I do not know whether you can see it very clearly. In this last 8 days, there was this huge spike in the pollutants coming out from the MPT area, and this is a serious offence under the Air Pollution Control Act. It's a very serious offence. According to the Goa Foundation, for this event, they have to take punitive action. They have to close down the operations which they have done, but they cannot restart them unless a prosecution is launched against these companies. They have to launch a prosecution against MPT, against JSW and against Adani. I am saying this because I am conscious that there is the writ petition in the High Court dealing with all the pollution that has taken place before. This is a new event that has taken place, and what we want to observe is that it took at least 10 to 12 days before the Pollution Control Board recognized that there was a problem. Means they have no means of finding out what is happening at Vasco, and now that they are gone to Saligao, it's even more difficult for them to find out what is happening at Vasco. But the result is that pollution went on for 8 to 10 days. Now we have done a monitoring of all these pictures are here. You can see all the different types of situations, verandas, doors, floors, water bodies, all filled with a layer of black coal. We have taken tissue papers and wiped. We have taken tissue papers and wiped all the surfaces. Everywhere you can see the tissue papers. All wiped the surfaces with coal from the area. This is the surface of the ground. You can imagine what will be the surface of the lungs, because this particle size which has exceeded is 2.5 particles. That means they have gone, in so fine that they can enter the people's lungs. So this is a very serious affair. That's why we are having a special press conference. It's a serious event that has taken place. You cannot say that it has happened only over 12 days. Bhopal gas disaster took place only in one night. One night. Here we have had continuous 12 days of pollution, which is not acceptable before the Pollution Control Board could stop the exercise. So we have tried to persuade the board to not allow them to restart till you hear the citizens of Vasco. So on the 21st, a date has been fixed for hearing the parties. The board chairman has said that he will present it before the board, and if the board agrees, they will meet the citizens of Vasco, and they will make out their case on why these operations are not sustainable and why they should be shut down. So we, as petitioners, of course, most of these things will come back to the High Court at some stage, but we think that the board has to take very, very severe cognizance of this. And whatever consequences are there for these coal handlers from the side of the citizens to come in terms of future legal actions, there will also be consequences. But right now, we don't want coal to restart in Vasco till the board can give us a cast iron guarantee that these type of events will not occur. And more important, that the continuous small level coal emissions that keep coming back continuously throughout the day and throughout the night, all that is stopped. We are insisting with the board that there may be any dust coming into our houses, we don't mind. But we do not want coal dust under any circumstances.
आम्ही मागताय ह्या गोंयच्या गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन ह्या लोकां कडेन प्लीज हे पोल्युशनाचेर हें नाकाय आनी जात तितली बेगीन हें बंद जाल्लेंच आहा हें तेणी अशेंच कंटिन्यू बंद दवरपाक म्हाजो गोवा एगेन्स्ट कोलाचो कन्व्हिनराचो एक डिमांड आहा जात जाल्यार हें टोटली बंद जावचें.
हांव इतलेंच मागता की गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन लोकांच्या लायफा कडेन खेळनाकात. तुमी जशे बिजनसमॅना कडेन खेळनात तशें आमच्या लायफा वांगडा खेळनाका. आमची लायफ जियोवपाक आमकां फूल रायट आसा आनी ते तुमी आमकां सपोर्ट करपाक जाय. बिकॉज वी आर इलेक्टिंग यू एज अ रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह ऑफ अस टू सपोर्ट द पीपल, नॉट टू सपोर्ट द बिजनस लॉबी एंड स्पेशली द कोल हँडलर्स.
आणि आयज गरज आसा की आपलें नांव चेंज करपा जाय. जो गोवा स्टेट पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड आहा तेणी स्टेट पोल्युशन प्रमोशन बोर्ड म्हणून नांव करपा जाय. कित्याक आमी गेली 6-7 वर्सां इतले कंप्लेनी तांकां दिल्ले आहात, तेंची ते कांयच दखल घेनात. जेन्ना सोशल मिडियाचेर किंवा आमी जेन्ना लोक आवाज करतात वास्कोचे तेन्नाच गोवा पोल्युशन बोर्ड जागी जाता. सो म्हाका तर दिसता की हेंची कांयच सोशल आनी मोरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ना गोवा पोल्युशन बोर्डाची. आतां सुद्दां आमी जेन्ना सोशल मिडियाचेर जे आमी स्वता जेन्ना ते व्हिडियोज व्हायरल केला तेन्ना तेंच्यांनी खंय तरी दखल घेतला हे बाबतीची आनी तेंच्यांनी तो प्लांट 7 दिसां खातीर बंद दवरला.
If they are having 24/7 monitoring, shouldn't they be able to take action as and when these issues are happening? And why must the coal handlers always wait till the citizens around complain and almost bring business to a stop? If they weren't so lax in their operations, this would not be the situation. All of us in and around Vasco want the port to continue, but not if they are going to put us and our health and our children at risk with this kind of activities. I'm sure there are a number of other activities that can be done without putting all citizens' life at risk for an ongoing period like this.